In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and perform key functions on Crypto.com, specifically through the web portal. Whether you're new to Crypto.com or simply want a refresher, this guide is designed to help you manage your cryptocurrency wallet with ease. Let's get started. First, we'll head over to the official Crypto.com website. It's important to access the platform from a secure network to protect your data and digital assets, so make sure you're on a trusted device and network. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you've logged into your account. You'll need to do this to access your wallet and all related functions. Now, let's focus on managing your digital wallet. On the homepage, you'll notice a wallet icon. Clicking on this icon is your entry point to accessing your stored cryptocurrencies and other financial features available on the platform. The layout of the Crypto.com web interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find this section quite intuitive. Once you click on the wallet icon, you'll be directed to your wallet overview. Here you can see all the available cryptocurrency balances that you currently have. Next, you'll want to look for a small set of three dots, usually positioned somewhere convenient on the interface to indicate more options. Clicking on these three dots will reveal additional functionalities that can be performed within your account. Let's move on to a crucial feature you might use: withdrawing your digital assets. Withdrawals can be handled simply by selecting the Withdraw option from the Options menu. This functionality is crucial as it allows you to move your funds from the digital wallet to another wallet or bank account entirely. Remember, when making withdrawals, ensure that the receiving wallet address is correct. Sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address might result in permanent loss, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. Always double-check the correctness of the address before finalizing the withdrawal. After initiating a withdrawal, you will see a status update that says, "Wait for our review." This is a routine check conducted by Crypto.com to verify the transaction details and maintain security standards. There's usually a short processing time involved here, so patience is key. This measure of extra security is beneficial, ensuring that your digital assets are always safeguarded. And that's it. You've now walked through the essential steps of navigating your Crypto.com account via the web interface, focusing on accessing your wallet and withdrawing funds. It's important to stay informed about all functionalities available to you so you can effectively manage your digital assets. Remember to always practice security best practices when managing cryptocurrencies. Thanks for following along, and happy trading.